What's up everybody, it's your boy Seth K Bani. Now I want to do a giveaway for this particular week, and I want to start with these PSD files. Let's go, let me show you. First and foremost, this file is password protected. I'm going to divide the password into 3. Alright, so once you get all these 3 passwords, you can be able to retrieve the file content. I'm going to give you all these PSD files. They are movie text or movie titles. Alright, and I want to give them all to you. Now these are completely editable. We can see the layers are really color coded. Now all you have to do is just go in there. Let me see, this one is a shine, right? Okay, and that is that one. So you can go in there and then you can see the text. Now the same thing with Robocop as well. Now guys, it's not just these ones, there are many of them. Don't resolve. Font name is Guardian, you can copy it and then we can go online, right, and then just paste it there, and then let's call it font, and then just go there and download it, and then let's go there, let's extract it, and then double click it, and just double click it like that, and then install. That is all. Once you do that, it's automatically installed. Close it, and then let's go back. All right, so let's minimize this one. Now all you have to do is just open this. Or once you open the character, automatically if it's in there, I can see it changed from yellow to this. Double click on it, and then okay, it works like that for you. Robocop, you can click on your text tool and then type on it, and type just click on your move tool and center it. Control S to save it. Once it's done saving, you can close it, and automatically it will reflect here. You can see the texture and everything is in there. Now what if you want to use it for a flyer or an artwork or something like that? You can just Control N. All right, and then you can create your work. Once you are done creating your work, let's just give it a black background. Once you are done creating your work or your flyer, all you have to do is just go in there and then pick any of them that you love. Let's pick the first one, any of them. That's it. Drag it in there and then release it here. Control T, and then let's resize them. Okay, drag it somewhere there like that, and then open it. In all, let's go and look at the other ones as well. There are many of them. There's another one, Despicable Me, Captain America. Now this, we also have Need for Speed, Blade, Guardian of the Galaxy, another type. We also have, you can see guys, you can see the color. This is the text in there is really rich, really rich. Look at it, it's really rich. 3D effect, really rich. Alright, the texture itself is really good. And then this one is also an icy texture. You can also use this one, Jurassic Park. You can, guys, everything here is completely editable. Okay, like I said, you can just pick it up, drag it, the text away, and just put it on your work and just use it. We have X-Ray, The Hobbit, The Ant-Man, we have Thor. Look at it well, guys. Look at it well. You can see the effect in there. Oh boy. And this is also Civil War, Captain America. This Tron, this Harry Potter, and this is this one too as well. IA Humans, this Marvel, and then this Real Still. Alright guys, so now the link is going to be in the description. Kindly use it, and then you can have access to it. Then use it for any of the work that you want to do. Now if you love this video, please just like this video, comment down below just to help me create more content such as this. All I want is just your like and then your comments as well.